Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Thoda on Magic. And like I promised last time, this is my other nephew. ये मेरे छोटे भाई का छोटा बेटा है रणबीर सलूजा.
Hi, today we're going to be cooking Egg Bhurji.
Bhurji, did you hear that? ये भाई साहब अंग्रेजी औलाद है नहीं, देसी है मेरा भाई फुल्ली. लेकिन ये इंग्लैंड गया पढ़ने, दुबई में रहते हैं, तो पूरी एक्सेंट आ गई है. बचपन से ये बाहर गांव में है जैसे बोलते हैं. तो इसको आज मैं थोड़ा हिंदी बोलना भी सिखाऊंगी अलॉन्ग विद सम कुकिंग. तो आज चलिए बनाते हैं अंडा भुर्जी. थोड़े से अलग तरीके से आज मैं बना रही हूँ बिकॉज ही लव्स मशरूम्स एंड ये थोड़ा कटिंग चॉपिंग भी करना चाहता है. तो और पराठे ना कहीं भी आप अब्रॉड चले जाइए, वेदर इट्स साउथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज या यूरोप या अमेरिका, परोठे हमेशा पैकेट में मिलते हैं. तो बच्चे तो पराठे बनाएंगे नहीं, तो रेडीमेड पराठा ले लिया और साथ में अंडा भुर्जी बना लिया. दैट्स नाइस हेल्दी हाई प्रोटीन ब्रेकफास्ट, राइट?
Yeah, of course.
So you're ready for it?
100%.
और ये टीनेजर स्माइल भी नहीं करते हैं जैसे आपको पता है. हाँ,
Sure.
तो इनको पैसे देने पड़ते हैं इस बार. अच्छा, by the way, before I begin, what did you say? What did you want from me? ये वीडियो अच्छा चलेगा तो
I wanted a little bit of commission if this video goes viral, so
think so.
100%.
You serious? ये
Yeah.
देखो ये बदमाश. मेरा दूसरा देखा था ना, कबीर संत, कबीर है उसका नाम. ये और अगस्त्या दोनों बदमाश हैं, दोनों मेरे से कमीशन मांगते हैं. आप कमेंट में लिख के बताइए कि इनको कमीशन मिलना चाहिए कि नहीं. पहले वीडियो वायरल तो होने दो.
it will. Don't
It
worry.
will?
'Cause
Okay.
I'm here. So.
Oh baby, let's begin with Anda Bhurji. Okay, so we are going to begin with some slicing. Should we slice the mushrooms first? I'm going to show you how to do one.
Okay.
And then you do the rest. I've got a smaller knife for you.
Okay.
This is called a chef's knife.
Okay.
This is what I'm using because
Yeah.
I'm the chef. Okay? We're going to chop this up into small pieces.
I'll do this.
Come on. Very good, Ranveer. Amazing. Chef का nephew. Chef बन रहा है. Okay, now let's move on with the tomato.
Yeah.
You know this edge, which is the, just cut this off. Okay, and now for the tough part. Your eyes are gonna burn and they're gonna water.
Yeah.
And I warned you, but you wanted to cut it.
Yeah.
So you ready?
Should I wear some glasses?
So you're serious. Ooh, nice. भाई बात है मेरे बच्चे में. Well done. What have we done now, Ranveer? There's a very nice French term called
Yeah.
mise en place, which means everything in place.
Okay.
So before you start cooking, you should get everything in place.
Everything
You
in
should have
place.
your prep. So once you start working on the pan, you're not then struggling,
Okay.
to run around for your ingredients.
Okay.
Okay. Onions are done, mushrooms are done, tomatoes are done. चलो अभी अंडे फोड़ेंगे. थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी बात कर लेते हैं ना रणवीर?
हाँ.
हाँ हाँ, क्या लाइन बोलो? अंडे फोड़ोगे?
पानी चाहिए.
पानी क्यों चाहिए पाई? अंडे फोड़.
That's all I know.
अच्छा, हिंदी की लाइन दे रहे थे.
Yeah.
अब बोलो मैं अंडे फोड़ने वाला हूँ.
मैं अंडे फोड़ने वाला हूँ.
Oops, please forgive him. क्या करें अब? We got to live with these अंग्रेजी boys.
Yeah.
है ना? चलो अंडे फोड़ेंगे. तो कैसे फोड़ते हैं अंडे पता है आपको?
Yeah, you just crack it on the edge.
Yes, very good. So crack it on the edge. Well done. Actually ये scrambled eggs बनाता है ना?
Yeah.
ये एक ही चीज जानता है. ये भी कबीर भी सिर्फ scrambled eggs जानते हैं, but at least कुछ तो जानते हैं. Very good. एक और. We'll make with 4 अंडा.
Okay, done.
4 अंडा में
4. Yeah.
Good. अगस्त्य को मैंने बॉयल अंडा करना सिखाया, उसने भी 2 वीडियोस किए हैं। नाइस। ओके, नाउ लेट्स start spicing it up. तो क्या क्या डालना है आपको अंडा भुर्जी में?
I like this red thing.
Red thing?
And,
Red thing का नाम भाई लाल मिर्च पाउडर होता है।
मिर्ची?
Red chili powder.
Red chili powder.
Red thing.
And bit of salt.
Okay. Bit of pepper.
Yeah.
And some turmeric. But
Turmeric.
this we're gonna add when we cook up our veggies.
Okay.
Okay? यहाँ पे अभी आप सिर्फ salt और pepper डालो।
Okay.
ठीक है? तो डालो। That's enough. Good. Now that's the pepper powder, black pepper powder. Now here is a whisk for you.
Okay.
Let's start. This is something your bua does a lot.
Okay.
Let's whisk, whisk, whisk.
Oh, okay.
Can you say that?
Let's whisk, whisk, whisk.
Nice. That was really nice. Thank you. Okay, I'll show you how to do this better.
Yeah.
You want some airiness, yeah? You want to make it light.
Yeah.
Okay, your eyes are burning now, na?
It is, it is.
Yeah, you want to wash your eyes?
No, it's fine.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, tilt. And instead of doing this, keep the angle
Okay.
like this. And then,
Oh, wow.
now you come here. Now you're the chef. I'm your sous chef, means
Okay.
assistant.
Yeah.
Achha, I've got some butter for you.
Okay, yeah.
So we are going to make the Anda Bhurji with some butter
Bhurji.
and oil.
Okay.
Okay? Why do we add oil to butter? Because butter burns very fast.
Okay.
Okay, it has a low smoking point.
Okay.
So we add some oil to balance that out so the butter doesn't burn. And I know you all love your butter.
Yeah, 100%.
So we'll make Anda Bhurji in that. Now we're going to go in with the onions.
Yeah.
So pick up the onions. I will buy for you when you go back to London. This really helps in picking up all the veggies. Dough scraper. This is actually a dough scraper.
Dough scraper.
Grab a spatula from there. Yeah, that should be good. And now stir it. So how do you stir it? You hold the pan
Oh.
so it doesn't shake and does not fall
Okay.
when you're handling the food inside it,
Yeah.
right? You want to tell your teenage friends something, you want to give them some tips on cooking.
Always hold the pan. Yeah. And
Anything else?
Wash your hands before you cook.
Very good. You learned that from Kabir's episode.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now what are we attempting to do? We are attempting to brown these.
Okay.
Right? You want to brown them slightly so that they add flavor to your
Yeah.
Anda Bhurji. Come on, you have to do. Why am I doing? I just realized. हमसे काहे काम करवा रहे हो? Did you
Sorry?
understand?
Sorry, what?
I talk like this in Bihari with my
Okay.
son. Do you know our roots are in Bihar, right?
Are you serious?
Yes. Your father, me,
Oh, wow.
Bade Papa, we were all born in Jamshedpur,
Okay.
which is in Bihar.
I actually didn't know that.
You do
I
know that,
didn't
but you
know
choose
that.
to forget.
No, I
इसीलिए
thought.
हम बिहारी में बात कर रहे थे. आपको तो हिंदी भी नहीं आती है.
Yeah.
When I scold Agastya, I start off either in Punjabi or in Bihari.
To me and I can laugh.
क्या कर रहे हो बबुआ? कितना देर तक लगाओगे बटरवा को ब्रेड में?
Oh, I'm
Because I only lived in India for like a year, right? So
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah. He was born and then they left for
Yeah.
Singapore first, then they went to Dubai,
Yeah.
and now he's in London.
It's
Now
good
can you
enough.
see the difference?
Brown, brown.
It's
yeah.
getting pink. Right now it's pink.
Okay.
We're gonna brown it slightly.
Okay.
Yeah. And try and move the whole thing together. So hold this, not like you're holding it like this.
Okay.
Vicariously. You have to hold it like you mean it. Yeah. You control your kitchen tools.
Okay.
They don't control you.
100%.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
ये मेरे भाई भी ऐसे ही बात करता है. 100%. I love them so much. Okay. So far so good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
All good, all
Let's
good.
go in with the tomatoes. Come. Add it. Yeah. Perfect. Lovely. Now use the spatula again. You're so much better with the spatula now.
Yeah.
See? अरे मेरे बच्चे fast learners. Well done.
Thanks. I'm gonna make this for you one day.
One day, no, soon.
Today.
Before you leave. Today you're making it.
Yeah.
And then once more.
Okay, done.
Okay? अभी आपने क्या डाला हिंदी में बोलो?
What's onion?
Pyaz.
Piaz. And, tomato.
You know what tomatoes are in Hindi. Think. Tomato.
Oh yeah. God. Tomato. What's butter?
Makhan.
I didn't know that one.
You didn't know that one?
No,
Makhan
no.
is Krishna Bhagwan's favorite food.
What's mushroom then?
Mushroom is mushroom only, I think. Oops. I don't know. I don't know this one. Now, add a little bit of salt. Haldi.
No, okay.
Itna nahi. Thoda.
Okay.
Lal mirch.
Lal mirch.
Bas, lal mirchi bol do.
Lal
Itna kafi hai.
mirch.
Now mix it up. Now the moment you add spices to onions, tomatoes, they start cooking it even more.
Okay.
And they start getting infused inside them.
Yeah.
And then this becomes like a base of a lot of other gravies, a lot of other things that you want to make.
Okay.
So you do this, and then after this you can add some vegetables. You do this, then you can add some chicken and cook in it.
Yeah.
You do this, you can add some cottage cheese.
Yeah.
So this is your nice base. Now I'll teach you one more thing, Ranbir. Can you see how the oil is kind of jumping around the sides?
Yeah.
This is the sign that your masala is ready.
Oh.
Now add the mushrooms, please. And the same way with my dough scraper. It's a cool tool,
It
huh?
is cool, yeah.
I'll buy you all these things.
Yeah, please.
Also, beta, always try and keep your counter clean. Once you're done with things, hygiene in the kitchen is very, very important.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Mushrooms also have a lot of water in it.
Yeah.
So what you want is, you want to allow the moisture to evaporate.
Yeah.
Because you don't want wet Anda Bhurji.
Yeah.
So you just cook it out till you see that mushrooms are slightly dry. Now, back to the eggs. Nice.
Is that good?
That's good.
Okay. Should I just add it in now?
Yes. Now when you're adding the eggs, you have to
Yeah.
keep stirring it also.
Okay.
Otherwise, they'll settle and you'll have an omelette
Yeah.
and not a bhurji.
Yeah.
Okay? Come on. Now quickly put it together. Yes. And you see how beautifully it's come together? And itna kam heat lagta hai. फटाफट हमने
Yeah.
गैस भी बंद कर दिया. Now it's nice and soft and gooey. You want to taste it? Taste it
I'll
nice
taste
and
it,
hot.
yes, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, before we serve it, let's taste
Just a
it.
tiny bit, yeah.
Tiny bit. It's hot. Careful. Hot. Huh? Salt is good?
Yeah.
Spice
yeah,
level
it's
is
very-
good?
It's very good, yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're proud of yourself?
Very proud.
Let me also see. Okay, after this you have to tell me what did you do to make this
Okay.
Anda Bhurji.
Yeah.
But wait. It's delicious.
Yeah.
Salt is perfect.
Perfect. Yeah.
That's amazing. So, अब इसे हम serve करेंगे and you're gonna have it with paratha. You want some cheese on top?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm adding some cheese. भाई ये लोग बाहर गांव वाले लोग हैं तो इनको थोड़ा सा फैंसी ट्विस्ट करके दिया जाए, है कि नहीं? अंडे भुर्जी में, टिपिकल अंडे भुर्जी में डाल दिया थोड़ा चीज. Okay, now I'm gonna serve this, but before that, Ranbir, I want a recap. कैसे बनाया ये अंडा भुर्जी? फटाफट सबको बताइए.
Okay, firstly, we got the onions, mushrooms, and tomatoes. We cut them up and we leave them.
Okay.
We put the butter and the oil on the pan, and we also crack the eggs and put them in a bowl. Stir that up, add everything. Actually, no, firstly we have to add all the vegetables to the pan. Cook that up for a bit, and then add the mirchi, the spices. Add that, cook them up for a bit. Lastly, add the eggs, cook them up for a bit, and yeah, the cheese.
Superb. Amazing. I'm telling you, all my boys are very quick learners. Ooh, like Salt Bay, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, tantana. Our Anda Bhurji is done. Any last words, Ranveer?
And there you have it, a delicious egg bhurji made with love and tradition by my bua. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we did.
Oh, that was sweet. That was amazing, isn't it? Okay, now I'm going to feed you with my hands
Okay.
the way I used to do it when you were a little baby.
It's too good.
You're good, huh? Chalo. And I'll have a bite. Why should I leave it? Hello, खाते हैं. Come, follow me.